Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Young Chef Aiden Dave. Today I will be showing you how to make a recipe that comes from the Far East Asia. So I will be showing you how to make ginger pork noodles stir fry. So come, let's see what all do we need. We need 1 zucchini and carrot thinly sliced into semicircles, 2 finely chopped cloves of garlic, some chili flakes, 250 grams of pork mince, 150 gram of udon noodles, some butter, sesame seeds, 50 grams of oyster sauce, a squeeze of lemon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. In a heated pan, I am adding some vegetable oil. I am using sesame oil. You can use any sorts of vegetable oil such as olive oil. Now we have to add the veggies. So now the oil is heated and I will be adding the veggies, the zucchini, the carrot, garlic and the chili flakes. Now let the veggies cook for 4 to 5 minutes until going to boil the noodles in boiling hot water for 3 to 4 minutes until tender. While the veggies are cooking, in a bowl add the soy sauce, the brown sugar, a squeeze of lemon, then the oyster sauce. And a splash of water and a good mix. Yeah, the sauce is ready now. Noodles is ready and you have to drain it and set aside. The veggies are also ready. I will just transfer it to a bowl now. In the same pan I will add some oil and then I will add the pork mince and break it up with the spoon. Let it cook well for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add a tablespoon of ginger paste and mix. Now add some butter to it, followed by the oyster sauce mix. And now give it a good mix. To this, add the veggies. Give it a good mix. And then add the noodles. then mix well. Mix gently so that the noodles doesn't break. And add a spoon of pepper for seasoning. And for the last touch, add some sesame seeds on the top. So now it is tasting time. The Far East Asian flavors are really good. The noodles is really soft and well cooked. The oyster sauce, brown sugar, and the mix adds a lot of flavor to the pork mince and the veggies and the noodles. So don't forget to try it, like it, and share it.